Okay, hey everybody, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. Before we get into what we're trying today, please subscribe to our channel. And if you guys clicked on this link for the first time, if you're the first time you come to our channel, welcome. Yep. I'm Devi and this is
Sean.
Right, and you guys can check out some of our previous videos to see what we're about, to see what we do here at YaadMentz. We also want to remind you to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Definitely give us a thumb up if you like this video.
Yes.
Alright, so let's get started. What are we doing today?
So today we're doing Nationals Jack Snap. Today is Jackass corn.
It's called Jack Snaps with a Z.
Jack Snaps. Like YaadMentz Jack Snaps. Yeah.
Yeah, so what actually, for those of you who don't know what Jackass corn is, it's kind of a spin-off on Jackass corn, which is a traditional Jamaican snack. If you guys know what tea biscuit is, it's kind of similar to that because it's a sweet
Jackass corn is tough.
But
hard.
The name Jackass corn basically comes from the fact that this biscuit is made very, very hard. It's made very, very hard. So a jackass, we usually refer to jackass as being stubborn, as being very tough, have a mind of its own, do its own thing.
Right,
and this is why they call it jackass corn, because it's so tough.
And jackass is a donkey.
Yeah, jackass is a donkey.
Jackass
for those of you who don't know. Right. So basically that's where the name came from. I think it was a very affordable, I guess, snack for like children back in the day. Because you know it's made from a lot of ingredients that you have around the house, so your ginger, your coconut and nutmeg and different stuff like that. So it was basically an easy snack, I guess, to keep the children occupied. But trust me, you have to go make sure your dentures put in properly. Yes. You have to go make sure you take your time to bite it. Because trust me, it is very, very, very tough.
Very tough to bite into. So I hope that this new national snack is really a reminiscence of the original Jackass corn. And pour out some. Alright, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's good enough. And they're square. They kind of remind me of cheese crunchies. The shape.
Right. They're shaped like cheese crunchies, but those type of small snacks.
I'm sorry, eat already. I'm first in that time. I'm always a first thing, so I'm a first in this time.
Whatever. Yeah. It does have that reminiscence of Jackass corn. It does have that essence and the kick of Jackass corn. It's not so stubborn to bite into or crunch, but it does have that nice crunchy texture to it. Sweet. Not too sweet though. But yeah.
I definitely agree. I love it. I feel like this is a very addictive snack. I feel like I could just be eating. I'm here talking to you guys, and I'm just eating. I really like it too. I really appreciate the fact that they still have the Jackass essence, as Sean said. But what I think is good is that maybe children who are maybe not so familiar with Jackass corn, the traditional type, they would be able to more appreciate this because it's not as hard.
Right.
It's not as tough, but it definitely still tastes like Jackass corn to me. And this, you have to say, one of the best snacks them I'm eating in a while.
Right.
So National, big up yourself. Again, if you see us post this on our Instagram, please @ National so they can see that we did this video.
Right. And just to mention that because of the package as well, it's really portable. So you can bring it abroad or to introduce somebody to an old Jamaican traditional snack. To let them know that this is Jackass corn. It is not the original Jackass corn, but it's something that reminds you of Jackass corn. I think a lot of Jamaicans abroad would really appreciate this new product that National have. Not trying to sell it or anything, but I'm just saying like it does have that home. If you miss home and Jamaicans not like Jackass corn, trust me, this is going to remind you of it and you're going to love it. It can be really addictive because it's really sweet and nice and crunchy and
it's not overly sweet.
It's not overly sweet, right?
But it's just them just get it. Them just get in the ingredients, the mixture, and them just get it.
I wonder how long I'm staying at the lab for this though.
I don't know. Probably when them in the lab make this, them a munch same time. While them a go and make them a munch. Not saying that anybody at National does that, but I'm just saying it's that good that you'd want to continuously keep eating it. So I really like this. And also to add with what you were saying, I think that because of how it is packaged, if you guys don't know what the original Jackass corn looks like, I'll probably put in a picture of it. Because of how it's packaged, you definitely know if it's going overseas, it would definitely keep in that freshness because of the packaging.
Right.
You know what I say?
Right.
So yeah, if you guys see this in your supermarket or your shop or whatever,
give it a try.
Definitely. Would you give it a YaadMentz thumbs up?
I will definitely give it a YaadMentz thumbs up. It is a really nice snack. I think it is something that will be on the market for a while. If you have gone out and tried it, if you're not gone out and tried it, it's something that you should put in your catty today when you go to the supermarket. Try it.
And I do also give it a thumbs up as well. I love it, guys. Definitely check it out. Definitely try it. Make sure you send it with the kiddies in them lunch box.
Yes.
It's really, really nice.
Yeah,
a really nice spin on an old Jamaican favorite.
Definitely.
I would say.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to thank you guys again for tuning in to YaadMentz Tries. I want to remind you guys to subscribe, to share, to like, to comment down below. Remember, we still accept your suggestions of what we should try next. If you see something out there where you say, hey, YaadMentz, I can't try this, let us know in the comments down below. We will make a list and get to all of them. Don't worry yourself. So keep leaving those comments down below, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Later, guys.
YaadMentz Tries.
You see, I'm just like, eat? You can't stop
It's really nice, bro. When I like it.
It's really nice.
You can't pour.
Maybe I should have it in a bigger bag, but then maybe I'll just sit down and eat them the whole entire day. Done the one big bag.
This is good. When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.